Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamillah and welcome to my laboratory. Today I'm going to walk you through how I created this design in Canva and sublimated it onto these totes. Let's go ahead and Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and start off in canva.com. Go up here to create a design and I'm going to hit custom size. Now the paper size I'll be using is 13 by 19, but I'm going to turn it horizontal. So the dimensions I'm entering is 19 by 13 inches. Okay, so go ahead and hit create a new design. And once our screen uploads, we're just going to go ahead and first thing I'm going to do is go to my uploads where I've uploaded some graphics that I got off Etsy, and I know I want to use this, so I'm going to click this one and I'm going to click that one. Then I'm going to go over here to elements and I'm just going to type in circle. And this actually looks pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead with this one. So the reason why I went ahead and clicked both of these from my uploads, and let me just make it a little bit smaller. It's because one thing that Canva does that I likes is that it tries to pull the colors from the images that you use, right? So I have this image highlighted. I'm going to go over here to edit image. I'm sorry. I'm going to highlight the background and hit go up here to background color. Oh, I want to change the color of the square. So I'm going to highlight the square, go up here to the corner where it says color, click it, and here Canva has pulled the colors from these images, right? And I want this color right here. So go ahead and click that, and it also gives me the color code. So if I wanted to, I could actually go up here, type in that code, hit enter. Whoop, hold on. Type in this code. I wanted it to populate up there, but I guess it's not going to populate up here because it's already down here. But anyway, if you wanted this color code, for future reference or whatever, just hover over it and you have it. Okay, so, or even if you want this color code to use in your project, here it is right here. And you would just go up here to document colors, enter that color code, and for you, it would pop up right here. But since they have it down here, for me, it's not going to populate up here. All right, so I have that. And I'm just going to make this in so I can delete this one because I don't want this one. I'm going to go ahead and make this like bigger. I think maybe 10 inches is good for the heights. Make sure it's centered. Take this, hit position, forward. I'm just going to turn it. And I'm just going to kind of position it toward the edge like so. And actually, I might need to make this a little bit smaller. Maybe 8 and 8.6, we'll say. All right, and do this. Make that a little bit smaller as well. Awesome, that looks great. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the T on my keyboard, which will bring up the text box. And I'm just going to type my name. Okay, make sure my J is capital. And I'm going to change the font to Brittany. And I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. Make sure it's centered. Maybe even bring it up a little bit. And I'm just going to play around with the effects. See if there's any that I like. Actually, I like that just like that. And I can just bring the transparency of this down just a little bit so that the name shows just a little bit more. Awesome. And I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this and just change the name for each bridesmaid and the bride, of course. Okay, so I'm not gonna, let y'all sit here and watch me do the whole thing. But so now that I have this and it's looking really good, I'm going to go ahead and hit download. And for right now, I just want page 1. So I'm going to select page 1, hit done, and I'm going to save this as a PNG to my computer. Hit save file, okay. Go over here to my downloads, hit the folder where it is, double click it, and go ahead and print this from my sublimation printer, and I'll be using my Workforce 7710 for this project. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and print this out and we'll come back. So while I'm waiting on everything to print, I went ahead and lint rolled my bag really well and pre-pressed it at 400 degrees for about 10 seconds. Then once everything was all printed out, I went ahead and pressed it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And I did end up making some changes to the final design, but that is it, you guys. Super easy to make. The bridesmaids loved it. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I gotta go make 6 more, so I'll see you later.